Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another try on haul. This week we are doing Abercrombie. Alright you guys, so first of all, welcome to my new filming space. We have arrived in our new home, the Chicago area. Suburbs of Chicago, and I'm super excited and super motivated to just, I don't know, bring you guys a bunch of new content in my new studio, filming room area situation. If you guys are curious to check out more about like what's going on in my life besides just hauls, I do have a vlog channel. It's always linked down below, so you guys can check that out if you're curious. But yeah, I'm excited. I got some super cute pieces. I ordered this like the minute I left Dallas for it to arrive in Schaumburg, and it was already here when I arrived, so I'm super excited. And this was the first day that I've been feeling well enough to sit down and film, but also stand up and try on all the outfits, because I think I filmed over 20 outfits with you guys from all of these, for you guys from all of these pieces. So got some good stuff. Super excited. Love that brown is becoming a super popular color. Nonetheless, anyways, as always, everything is linked down below with the sizes that I also picked out for the items and my typical measurements, just for reference for you guys if you've never shopped at Abercrombie or you're curious. I'm also going to tell you if I would size up or size down in any of these items. Yeah, and then any of the items that were from my closet that I used to style these pieces, which I do very often, will be linked if I can find the exact one, if not something similar, for reference. So let's dive in and get going. So the first piece I wanted to share with you guys is this dress. And I've had this in my cart for a hot minute, and I wanted the pink and white striped one, which normally I'm like, oh, Abercrombie will restock, it's no big deal, like I'll be able to get it, right? So I just leave it in my cart even if it's not in my size. They completely sold that color out, so I'm so sad. But it is this baby doll maxi dress, which is gorgeous, and I do really like the brown. I own not very much brown, and polka dots are super cute. One thing I will say is, where the heck are the pockets, Abercrombie? I need pockets in my dresses. I don't know, I need them. This is like that gauzy linen-y material, but it's linen-y and not a stiff way. It's a very soft linen. It is double lined. It's gorgeous. I love this. You can dress this like, I don't know. I wouldn't say you could really dress it up. I mean, you could throw bare heels on. I didn't with it. I wanted this as more of a casual daytime dress. You can dress it cooler with some sneakers and some denim and a denim jacket, or you can go really casual with just a pair of Birkenstock sandals. I love it. It is super long. It is a maxi, and it is really nice quality. I think they still have like a yellowy patterned one and a red one left. But yeah, they are selling quick because it is a super popular dress, and for good reason. It is gorgeous. It's more of like a red terracotta brown versus like a true brown, unlike this guy, just for reference, you can see it's more like a reddy brown. This bodysuit I need in like at least the black one. It is stunning. Okay, so it is this notch front bodysuit, as you can tell. This is not double lined, but I don't think that it's an issue. Now, I can't speak to the white. If there is a white, I don't know. Then I wouldn't say, I don't know if it would be see-through or not, but it is a very thick material nonetheless. I have a double lined bodysuit from them, and it's cotton. This isn't cotton, but it is a cotton material, and I noticed some pilling underneath that you can't get to because it's double lined. So I don't have an issue that this isn't double lined at all. I actually like that feature. But anyways, this is just such a beautiful, it's a square neck front and back. I love the notch front, and it is a thong style. It's very structured, if you can tell. Like this, it stands on its own. It has like some curvature in the waist area, which is just super flattering, super fitting, and I love this color. You can style this a million different ways. You can dress this up, you can dress this down with some denim shorts. Like, it is so versatile. I love Abercrombie's bodysuits. Amazing. I would say this one is true to size, and yeah, I definitely need this in black. It's so cute, but I think the brown is just a fun, like, color that I never gravitate towards. So that was that piece. Then I grabbed this little scarf tie top. This totally reminds me of the 90s, and I'm like 99% sure I used to own these when I was younger. This is super cute though. I will say that I'm typically not like a, I don't know, cropped top sort of girl generally. Like, it has to be able to be tucked in, and this is long enough where I don't feel like I'm showing so much skin. You have the adjustable tie at the top. I love this pattern. It's kind of like a geometric star flowery shape situation. It has a complete open back with an adjustable strap in the, or adjustable tie in the back, which I feel super secure and nice in it. I loved this. I feel like you can go super casual with some denim shorts with this, but you can also dress this up for kind of like a night out sort of thing. I don't know, in the summer, I think it's really pretty. It's kind of like an orangey, pinky terracotta-y color. I did get this in this like print in another top too, which I loved as well. But I like this. It's not super silky and satiny. It's kind of like a brushed cord kind of material. I don't know. It is double lined. I did not wear a bra with this. I don't think you need to. I think it's enough to conceal it. And yeah, I love this. I think it's really freaking cute. And a really nice piece for the summer. Okay, so this next piece that I grabbed is super interesting. I feel like I haven't seen something like this in a really long time. It is kind of like a polo sweater vest situation. I love these big chunky buttons. I like this sort of look. I have it in like a rugby top that Abercrombie also did that I was obsessed with. You can pair this with shorts, jeans, whatever. I think it's kind of cute because it's like unique because it's sweater material, like it's a little fleece and it is so soft. But I wanted it specifically to wear over the top of my little traveler dresses that I'm obsessed with from Abercrombie. I own this in black as well as the green. If you do not own this yet, you need it. It's just like an activewear dress that has little shorts, bodysuit built in. So good. A lot of people say stay true to size or size down. I don't. Or tell you to size down. I don't. I stay true to size. Like, oh no, I don't know what people are talking about. Unless you want it like skin tight, then I would say true to size. But this over the top of this was so freaking cute. Sometimes I feel like I can feel a little too revealed in these traveler dresses. I don't know why. I just find it to be like, it's just a really tiny dress. Like you're fully exposed on top, you're fully exposed at the bottom. I like to pick one or the other typically. So I think this is fun to be able to put over the top of it, especially if you're going into a grocery store or something like that. It's just nice and easy to throw on, but this was so fun. I love this. I think it's so cute. Yeah, I think it's fun. So I'm glad I grabbed that to go over the top of my little traveler's dress. I think that will be super cute. I also grabbed this top right here, which, I mean, come on. I am literally the biggest button down, button up queen of life. Like, I swear it is just a staple in my wardrobe. I'm obsessed with them. I own them in multiple colors, styles, shapes, fabrics, whatever. This green spoke to me because I own nothing like it. Surprise, surprise. I own a ton of blue ones like this, but not green, and I love green. It's one of my favorite colors besides blue and yellow. I have a lot of favorite colors. Nonetheless, it's one of my favorite colors. I love this. You can dress this a million different ways. You can leave it open over the top of a bodysuit. You can wear it as itself. You can wear it with a skirt. You literally can wear these things a million different ways. So if you have not gotten on the train of like button ups, button downs, whatever you call them, run, don't walk. This is super cute. No branding, so beautiful. Obsessed. Great quality, love. All right, and then I grabbed these little pair of shorts, which I ripped the tags off of these immediately because I was like, these are staying with me. These are perfect. I do not own a pair of black or any other colored denim shorts besides blue. So I loved these. I love the, like, that waistline. I just think it's really fun. It's button flyed. These are a size 26. They fit perfectly. The legs are not too tight. They're a cuffed hem, which I really like. Very 90s. But they fit perfectly. You can dress these with like a basic graphic tee, or you can pair it with this little guy. A million different ways to style these. These are just a staple, and I feel like they're so comfortable, so flattering. I'm obsessed with these, like literally obsessed. I had gone through and thrown away a lot of my denim shorts that I no longer wore or gave them away or whatever, just because I found that like once I find a pair of denim shorts, and I probably have like 4 pairs that I'm like obsessed with, I don't reach for anything else. I'm over the super high-waisted butt cheeks hanging out look. I'm just over it. I don't care. I am more comfortable in a longer denim short that are flattering and make me feel good, and these are it. So cute. I know these sell fast. These sell up fast. I had them in my cart and they had sold out in my size multiple times. But then the last time I looked, they were my size and I was like, done. Placing that order because these are so perfect. You need these. All right, speaking of button-ups, this one was so cute. It's not your typical bright yellow. It's more of like a muted, almost looks like you washed it with like dark jeans sort of look, if that makes sense. But it's that same material, that like gauzy linen material as the dress. It is like super sheer, but really pretty. I love this. This is such a fun, colorful, but neutrally sort of top to add to your summer collection. You can dress this in a million different ways. Again, it's a button up, it's a button down, whatever you want to call it. Love the quality of this. I did go with an extra small in this just because I find that their oversized shirts are almost too oversized if I go true to size. And even if I get them in a size smaller than what I typically would get, they're still oversized but not sloppy looking, if that makes sense. So absolutely love this piece. Think it's so cute. And I love that the like linen looks like not perfectly straight, because let's be real, if you know, when you get a linen shirt and you wash it for the first time, it just like, it's never the same. It's never the same. So I like that it already has imperfections in the material itself, like imperfections in the sense of like it has a pattern versus just flat, because I feel as though it helps hide wrinkles and stuff like that. So love that top, super cute. All right, these next two bodysuits, I fell in love with my boat neck bodysuit that I have from Abercrombie, and I honestly thought this was gonna be the exact same one that I had previously purchased in a recent haul, but it's different. I like it, but I would say size down in these. Okay, so the material is double lined. This is white. It's a bodysuit with this little ring detail. I thought from the front it was just the same as my previous one, which was a full like front and back that looked exactly the same, and I just wanted another one because I loved it that much. I do really like this one, but you need to size down because this material is so stretchy. I feel like it doesn't stay held up in place. Like you could size down. There's no way to adjust these straps or anything like that. It's double lined in the front, not in the back, but I don't find that it's super sheer in the back or anything like that. I do love this ring, like I said. I just wish that I got a smaller size, so I'm going to try to find a smaller size. But I love the boat neck look. I just feel like it's very classy, classic, love it, but the back is fun and kind of exposed. So I got this in white, but I also got it in black. Again, thought I was buying the original ones that I normally had. Love these, just want them in a smaller size. So I'm gonna go ahead and exchange these for an extra small. And if you are curious to check these out, I would size down just because the material is so stretchy. I think you can get away with it. Plus it would just fit you tighter on this top, because I'm afraid that these are gonna stretch too much. So yes, I mean, if you're handy dandy, you could probably like unstitch this and restitch it a little bit tighter. That would work. I'm just not that handy dandy, and for that price, I'm like, no, I'm gonna just get it the way it's supposed to be, okay? All right, this is that top that I was telling you that I got in the exact same print, just in a different like shape style. This is perfection. I love this asymmetrical one shoulder top. This little ring detail is so cute. The straps are completely adjustable with this little ruching in the back, which just helps it fit perfectly. You can dress this up, you can dress this down. This is so cute. I prefer, if you're only gonna get one of these, I would get this style over the scarf one. Personally, I just think I would wear this more, and you can dress this, like I said, you can dress it up with a pair of like these guys. So anyways, that's that. With these were such a shock for me. I don't know, I've been seeing this trend, this like wide leg trouser trend all around, and these did not disappoint. You can dress these in so many different ways. Like you can go pretty casual with it, but if you're in like an office type setting, these are stunning. I love the like textured sort of look they have to them. They're stretchy, but they're fitted, but they're beautiful. They're weighty, like they have weight to them, which I love. These are gorgeous. I'm obsessed. So with these, they could border on being slightly small. I got a small, which I'm typically a 26. They do have this bungee in the back, but it's not super forgiving. I'm just gonna be straight there with you. Like it's like only gives you just like maybe an inch of stretch. So I would say if you're kind of like bordering on their, look at their size chart, but if you're kind of bordering, I would size up, just because with these, I feel like you want to do something more fitted on top and you don't want to like bulge out. You know what I mean? So these were freaking so awesome. I love these. They also have a really nice like hemline at the bottom, so if you need to let them out a little bit more or roll them up a bit more, super easy to tailor and yeah, customize to your fitting. Okay, last but not least, I got this color again, this yellow that's kind of like dingy yellow, but I kind of really like it. I would say more of like mustardy yellow. This is cute. So this is one of those like sweater top situations. I love the difference in the pattern. So you've got vertical stripes going here with horizontal at the bottom. I just feel like it's just different eye contrast, whatnot. This is a pretty thin material, so you can see like outlines in this, if that makes sense. You can't see color through this specific color, but you can see, like, for instance, these guys, I would cut these off because you can see them through the like material, if that makes sense. And they are too long to like, and they hang out the bottom. You know what I mean? But cute. You can wear this with, you could wear this with shorts. Like, I wouldn't particularly, because again, it's pretty exposed on the top with this, you know, completely exposed top, but I would wear it with a pair of jeans, and I think it's super cute. So again, I would say the lighter colors probably are a bit more sheer than the darker colors, but this is gorgeous, so pretty. It is long enough to tuck into a pair of jeans, which is my criteria when it comes to cropped sort of tops like this. It needs to still tuck in because odds are I'm not going to wear it cropped. So I also grabbed these little sandals, which I thought were really fun. I love the chunky black heel with like the platform with this light tan situation on top. These are cute. They're fun, they're different, but they're very like in my comfort zone when it comes to like flat shoes that are cute. Yeah, I really liked these. I was impressed by the quality. I feel like the like pleathery leather is nice. I would say they fit true to size. I am typically between a 6.5 and a 7, and these were on the larger size but not too large. Love these. I believe they come in other colors as well. If you have not tried Abercrombie sandals, if you find a pair that you really like, I highly recommend trying them because I've always loved their shoes. I think they have really good quality, trendy shoes, but these are fun. I love them. They give me Free People vibes, but yeah. Anyways, that is everything that I purchased from my recent Abercrombie order. I hope you guys enjoyed, found some inspo, found some pieces that you might want to pick up for your wardrobe, or just things that you already have in your wardrobe that you can style like the ways that I styled in this video. I love you guys as always. Let me know what videos you want to see next from this category. I do have another Old Navy one coming soon. I love Old Navy. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.